Hakasengi ka babod jong Jinglet jurip jong menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma rengkat ke kenhun menteri ke jong u Shari Bangladesh kilai kendoru ikat nat Chamber of Commerce and Industries ha Sylhet nak benta banya Phylliew Jingmut i babon ki kam hakabai dei bat ke jingpen klanya ka khai pateng hapreng ke jela megalia bat ke ri Bangladesh u Conrad ulong ru bahaka te ke jingalang balapan long da Sylhet Chamber of Commerce and Industries layakran ru hakabai dei bat ki lat penyaso na Shillong sha Sylhet lembah ki bas bat ki leng sun bat ya kane ulong ba on saya kran bat ke sorkar MDA bat kumju sya ke sorkar pedeng shushu Conrad ulong ruban nakaliang chung ke sorkar jela kala khot sngo baru iketika tenat Chamber of Commerce and Industries Sylhet bakan wan shanong ba Shillong ban ya tai shushu iki babun ki mat.
Yes, after we arrived yesterday to Sylhet, we went straight away and we met the different chambers of commerce in Sylhet, and it was a very, very positive meeting. And there's a lot of participation from different sectors, and we got to understand that there's already some kind of understanding and work and business that's taking place. But they also agree and feel there is a huge opportunity and it is a connection that's missing. We have invited the different chambers of commerce to visit Shillong, and Sylhet being only 3.5 hours away, we feel that there can be a huge economic opportunity here. Another very important suggestion that came up was a connection in some way, either through maybe bus services or through flight services in the long term and in the medium term between Sylhet and Shillong. And I think that's a very positive thing, and of course we have to consult with MEA and the central government, but I think it's a positive way, and let's hope that we'll be able to improve things. But overall it was a very good meeting we had with them.